Dear friends of the Violet Way repairs, here is a little, let's say, life hack that makes your devices work again. One of the main problems of our devices is that the high frequency that is made in this coil, which is in the handle, does not come to the electrode holder in the head part of this handheld piece. So you need some kind of part in between, and this is what I do in this case. I slaughter a pencil, take this metal piece out and solder it directly a little bit on this metal piece coming out of the Tesla coil. So I achieve a connection from the handle to the electrode holder, and this will make our light work. So have a nice evening and bye bye.